So, good morning, all. Welcome to another Trader View update. The last 7 days for Bitcoin and Ethereum have been exceptionally bullish. The last time we saw such quick price appreciation over a 7 day period, we've always seen at least a 10% pullback over the next 2 days. So whilst everyone is very confident right now, sentiment is returning, the greed and fear index is improved to fear from extreme fear. Just be aware that a pullback of some sort is more than likely. You can't really have a continued bull run without retests of previous support levels or resistance levels that were broken. Now, the Bitcoin or the GBTC discount is narrowing. So it's around 5%, which is a big improvement to the negative 15% that we were seeing towards the end of last week. The narrowing of this discount essentially suggests that institutions are coming back into the space, buying up GBTC shares. And the more this discount narrows, the more we'll see a demand for physical Bitcoin purchases itself as well. Futures markets starting to look up, slightly more in a contango. The 6-month expiry, the 12-month expiry in June 22 is currently trading at around a 10% premium over spot, which is good. A quick word on the volumes as well. You can see that we had a big spike in volume on the 26th. Looking at the liquidation data on BYBT, this suggests that a lot of this volume was actually forced buying, i.e. shorts were being liquidated. Still had higher trading volumes yesterday, but those liquidations weren't taking place. So for me, that's a sign that there was actual people coming into the market, actively looking to get exposure to Bitcoin as well. So that's good. The market is picking up. As I mentioned, in the short term, we do expect a correction to take place. The relative strength index, which I can show you just here, relative strength index on the daily basis is starting to, that's not clear for something. Relative strength index is about 70, which tends to suggest that we are at an overbought level in the market. Possible scenario over the next few days, we're looking at a slight pullback to at least 36K. Maybe even we'll go down as far as 32K to fill the CME futures gap that took place over the weekend before we begin a continued rally up to the 40. So on the chart, as I mentioned, we're looking at 36 to 37K support. Below that, we've got a support at 34K. I'm just going to put up the fib retracement so you can see here. I'm looking at the 34.5K area for initial support. If we drop down further, anything between 30 to 32 is a major area of very strong support, which is held throughout the last few months. To the upside, again, 41, another Fibonacci retracement, also the local top from the 15th of June. Anything around there, if prices appreciate, I expect to encounter some resistance. Even higher, we're looking in the mid-40s range. This was an area of previous consolidation in the bull run. So I'm keeping my eye on that. Coincidentally, the major retracement level, the major resistance level also coming through, acting as a ceiling to prices, along with the 111-day moving average, all starting to show that there could be some resistance being built up here. That said, order books seem to be relatively thin between 40 and 50K. So if we do move into that space, could see very, very quick price appreciation up towards 50. Have a good trading day.